In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs. If you want to make your document easier to read or simply give it a cleaner, more organized look, adding color to a table is a great option. You can use color to highlight important information, separate sections, or make headings stand out. The good news is that Google Docs makes this process very simple once you know where to click. To begin, open your Google Docs document and locate the table you want to edit. The first thing you need to do is highlight the exact part of the table you want to color. This could be a single cell, an entire row, a full column, or even the whole table, depending on the effect you want. Be careful when selecting, because Google Docs will apply the color only to the area you've highlighted. If you want a consistent look, take a second to confirm that the correct section is selected before moving on. Once your selection is highlighted, go to the top toolbar and look for the background color icon. This usually appears as a small paint can. Click that icon to open the color options. This is the tool that controls the fill color for the cells you selected. So anything you choose here will be applied directly to that part of the table. After clicking the paint can icon, you'll see a range of preset colors. If one of those works for your document, simply click it and the color will be added right away. This is the fastest option if you just want something clean and simple. If you need a more specific shade, click the plus icon under Custom. That lets you enter a hex code, which is helpful if you are trying to match a brand color or keep your document design consistent with other materials. When choosing a color, try to keep readability in mind. Very dark backgrounds may make text harder to see unless the text color also contrasts well. Lighter shades often work best for highlighting information, while keeping the table neat and professional. And that's it. Once you've selected your color, your table will instantly update in Google Docs. It's a quick formatting tool, but it can make a big difference in how polished and visually clear your document looks.